today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide completed tasks in Notion. Notion is a versatile tool that many people use to manage their tasks and organize their workload more efficiently, whether it's for personal use or professional projects. Utilizing its database features can truly revolutionize your productivity. One essential component to mastering Notion is knowing how to manage and filter out completed tasks to maintain a clean, focused workspace. And that's exactly what we're going to achieve today. First, let's start by opening your Notion workspace. Once you're in, you'll want to create a new database. This is where you'll be organizing your tasks. Remember, databases in Notion can be customized in many ways, allowing you to tailor them to your specific needs, whether you're tracking tasks, projects, or something else. It's important to tailor the setup to your workflow to make the most out of Notion. After you've got your database set up, the next step is to add a new property. A property in Notion is essentially a column in your database where specific pieces of information can be added. For our purposes, we're going to need to add a property that will allow us to differentiate between completed and incomplete tasks. Now click on the Add Property button. You'll be given several options to choose from, but in this case, select Checkbox as the type of property. Why a checkbox? Well, it's simple. A checkbox gives you a straightforward way to indicate whether a task is completed or still in progress. It's a visual and intuitive method to keep tabs on your tasks. Once you've created the checkbox property, go ahead and name it something relevant like completed or done. This makes it easier to understand the purpose of that checkbox at a glance. After setting up your checkbox, it's time to filter your database so that completed tasks are hidden from view. This is particularly useful for keeping your focus on the tasks that still need attention without the distraction of already accomplished tasks cluttering your workspace. To do this, locate and click on the Filter option. Adding a filter allows you to customize the view of your database according to specific criteria. In this scenario, we're going to set a filter to only show tasks that are not yet completed. Within the filter settings, configure it to reflect. Checkbox is not checked. This will effectively hide all the tasks that you have marked as completed, giving you a clean list of outstanding tasks to focus on. With this setup, your Notion workspace remains organized and free of unnecessary clutter. Remember, the key to maximizing productivity with Notion lies in tailoring it to suit your personal needs and workflow. Regularly update your task statuses and utilize the filter option to maintain an optimal, distraction-free task list. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to hide completed tasks in Notion. Happy organizing.